Namaskar. This video class I explain about fuel cells, particularly about hydrogen fuel cells. First, we have to know how fuel cell works. In the equation, you can see clearly fuel reacts with oxygen and form oxidation products and electrical energy. Example, hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen and form water and generate electrical energy. It means fuel cell converts chemical energy to electrical energy like electrochemical cell. So fuel cell is a electrochemical cell. If hydrogen is used as fuel, it forms hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. As shown in the examples 2 and 3, instead of hydrogen, propane or methyl alcohol can also use as fuels. If propane is used as fuel, it forms propane oxygen fuel cells. Similarly, if methyl alcohol is used as fuel, it forms methyl alcohol oxygen fuel cell. In this slide, you can see hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. This picture, left side, you can see inlet for hydrogen fuel and porous anode electrode. Right side of the picture, you can see the porous cathode electrode and inlet for oxygen and outlet for water H2O molecule, which is formed during chemical reaction. Porous anode and cathodes are connected by external circuit. In between anode and cathode, potassium hydroxide KOH or molten sodium carbonate electrolyte is present. This electrolyte allows only transfer of H plus ions from anode to cathode through it. Electrolyte does not allow transfer of electrons through it. Electrons transfer from anode to cathode through external circuit only. Working of fuel cell. Hydrogen fuel is supplied to the anode of the fuel cell. At anode, hydrogen gas breaks down into H plus ions and release electrons. It means at anode, oxidation is taking place. You can see the equation 2H2 give rise to 4 H plus ions and 4 electrons. These electrons transfer from anode to cathode through external circuit. This transfer of electrons from anode to cathode generate electricity. 4 protons released at anode transfer from anode to cathode through electrolyte. At cathode, these 4 protons combined with 4 electrons, which are transferred from anode to cathode through external circuit and form hydrogen gas. You can see the equation. It means at cathode, reduction is taking place. At cathode, oxygen is introduced into the cell. This oxygen combines with hydrogen gas and forms water H2O molecule. You can see the equation. Fuel cell generates electricity as well as water. This water is a clean water to drink because of light weight of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen oxygen fuel cells are preferred in space vehicles. Astronauts use byproduct water for drinking purpose. Fuel cell is an electrochemical cell. Fuel cells are different from batteries. Fuel cells require a continuous source of fuel like hydrogen and oxygen to sustain the chemical reaction. Whereas in the battery, the chemicals present in battery react with each other to generate electricity. Fuel cells can produce electricity continuously as long as fuels like hydrogen and oxygen is supplied. Otherwise, fuel cell does not work. In this slide, you can see hydrogen fuel cell powered bus, the first energy fuel cell unit, and Mercedes-Benz zero emission car. Hydrogen fuel cell energy is a clean energy. It does not produce any greenhouse gas like carbon dioxide. Hydrogen fuel cell is a renewable energy. Fuel cells cannot store electrical energy. Applications of fuel cells. These are used as auxiliary energy source in space vehicles, submarines, or other military vehicles. Because of lightweight, fuel cells are preferred in space vehicles, and astronauts use byproduct water for drinking. Next, advantages. Energy conversion is very high, 75 to 82%. Noise and thermal pollutions are less. Maintenance cost is also very low. Fuel cells cannot store electrical energy. Fuel cells are more environment friendly. Thank you.